In this video I will show you how to define a mirror piece. Imagine that you want to have a back made of one piece. You can use for this the function mirror piece. Select mirror line and click the middle line of the back piece. It is now a mirror piece. By the way, I tell you, only straight lines from type main contour can be selected as mirror lines. All other lines are displayed in color gray if the display of the valid elements is activated, which I recommend you. The particularity of the mirror pieces is that they have one active half. All modifications are done on this active side and they will be directly mirrored on the other side. What is the difference to this piece for which both sides have been constructed independently? This piece looks symmetrical but both sides are active and there is no dependency between the two sides. If you want to check if you have some mirror pieces, you can activate the piece info in Smart Guide. They will be marked with the information mirror. You decide yourself if you want to display both halves of the piece or not. And even if you don't display both halves of the piece, the modifications made on one side are reported automatically to the other side. You can decide yourself in the config tool if you want to have a symbol at the place of the mirror line or not. And you have additionally the possibility to define if some notches are to be automatically created at the position of the mirror line when you create a new mirror piece. You can notice that the texts, the stripe lines, and the text positions are not mirrored but the construction lines are mirrored. This is the behavior of the function with the default parameters. This information is stored in the mirror table and it would be possible to change this behavior by working with extensions if needed. I show you how to do that. I could decide that at now the texts with the extension 2 are to be mirrored. I put a check in the corresponding parameter. The administrator has to save the change. When I create a text, it has the extension 1 as default and is not mirrored. I change its extension to 2 and it is visible on both sides. Last information for this video: if you define a piece having a seam as a mirror piece, the system will remove the seam value at the mirror line.